Ruff, certified financial planner here. If you clicked on this link, it means you're looking for some information on life insurance. Not exactly the most fun topic in the world.
No, Phil, I sell insurance.
What a shock.
Do you have life insurance?
But here's what I'll say. Life insurance absolutely is a critical component of an overarching financial plan. And I don't like to address life insurance on a one-off basis. I like to address it within the context of an overall financial plan. So why do people buy life insurance? Well, let me read you. Life insurance is used to leave much needed income to survivors, provide for your children's education, pay off a mortgage, and simplify the transfer of assets at death. It can also be used to replace wealth lost to expenses and taxes that follow death. And you can make gifts to charity at a relatively low cost. Now, let's keep this really simple. There are two very basic forms of life insurance. There is term insurance, which lasts for a set term, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Or there's permanent insurance, which by the very nature the word suggests is it doesn't expire. Now, as a general rule, term insurance is purchased to insure families against a given period of time, usually no longer 15, 20, 30 years. It is purchased for homeowners carrying mortgages or parents with young children. It consists of a death benefit only. It's inexpensive compared to other forms of life insurance. Now, two, permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance comes in several different forms, several different flavors. There is whole life insurance, there's universal life insurance, there's variable life insurance, there's variable universal life insurance, and they all come with contracts this thick and lots of legal insurance language. Very important to review those on an individual basis if you own them already. Now, why do people purchase permanent insurance? Well, whole life, universal life are common forms of permanent insurance. These types contain a cash accumulation vehicle, and it allows you to accumulate savings on a tax-deferred basis. Some allow you to even borrow against those policies and the cash value that is built up in the policy. There are many different types of life insurance products that may fit your own personal needs. Be sure to check with a licensed insurance professional to make sure that you are buying what fits your unique individual needs. Insurance can be very complicated. I would urge you, make sure that you are talking to a competent, licensed insurance individual, and you're purchasing life insurance within the context of an overarching overall plan. The place where I see people get into the trouble is most trouble is when they just buy it on a one-off basis and it isn't part of the financial planning process. Hopefully you found that helpful and I didn't bore you. If you want to check out some of my other YouTube videos, feel free to click around. Hopefully you like what you see. Thanks for stopping by.